Hi everyone, welcome to this final workflow. So this is regarding how one should configure A/B testing. Okay, so as I have already mentioned on the first video that A/B testing is nothing but running parallel two versions simultaneously and performing some kind of analysis. Okay, so for this one have to roll out a new version. Okay, and then only then you have to set up an experiment and do some kind of analysis. Analysis can be anything. It can be triggering some query on Prometheus to check the 5 axis or the latency or anything depending upon your scenario. And if that analysis is completed and didn't reach or the threshold, then you can roll out the new version. Okay, so for this from the previous video, so I have already configured blue-green, and right now this is the version which is stable one. So let me roll out a new version. Okay, so the new version will be from this image itself. So let's trigger one rollout. Okay, so from cursor I will say, can you roll out from this image to the hello world rollout which you have done previously. Okay, so now it has created a new version. Okay, it has created a rollout with this version. 5 pods are running. It's a preview one, and the previous one is the still stable one, and it is waiting for human approval, right? So let's create an analysis template. Okay, because it's blue-green with our auto promotion enabled false, you will need to promote it manually when you are ready. Yeah, for this we'll again copy the same query which we have copied during the analysis of Canary one, right? So if the threshold of 5 axis reaches to 5%, then we will roll back, else we will roll out the new version, right? So we'll use this prompt. Okay, so do one thing, create an blue-green analysis template for this query. If the error exists for 5%, so it says blue-green analysis template hello world analysis is created and linked to hello world rollout, right? It is configured as blue-green, pre-promotion is false. So now this is the one, right? The exact prompt is start and default with 2 templates, baseline and a candidate, run for run for 2 minutes. Okay, use the analysis template which we have just created. So Argo experiment hello world A/B test is running, baseline is stable. So what it is doing, so let me create some traffic. Okay, generate some traffic. So what it is doing, so it will do analysis based on this traffic on this 2 version. Okay, whether I need to promote the changes or I have to roll back. Okay, so if the experiment fails, then we have to roll back. Okay, because this analysis template is already been attached to this revision, then if the analysis will fail, automatically it will get rolled back, right? See, so as per this analysis templates, the threshold gets exceeded. Okay, so that's why it has started roll backing the changes. Okay, and we can check from here as well. Okay, see, so 2 pods, one for baseline and one for candidate, it has triggered, right? And we can check from here, can you show me the experiment result? So it says error, metric SS reflect slice out of range. That means there was no 5 axis, right? Post template ran successful, but the error rate analysis failed with reflect because of that query, and that's why if you see it has rolled back the new version, right? Okay. So this is how you should configure A/B testing with the help of this Argo Rollout MCP server. So again, quickly, we have covered every deployment strategy. So we have started with onboarding of existing deployment to rollout. Then we have covered Canary-based deployment. Then we have done some kind of analysis with the help of Prometheus, right? Then we have covered blue-green. Then finally, we have covered A/B testing, right? So as per your use case, so if your use case is to perform blue-green, then this Argo Rollout MCP server, you can easily perform blue-green deployment, right? All you need is trigger the right set of query or the prompt. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this whole Argo Rollout MCP server demo. Hope you have liked it. And a message to all the DevOps leader. So let's suppose if in your use case you want to build some custom intelligence over your DevOps pipeline, then do contact us. I will pin down my email ID. So we are bunch of few platform engineers who are actively working on generative AI, specifically on the platform side, and you can check our website. So right now we have open source in application agent, we have open source Kubernetes agent, CI Copilot. In infrastructure agent for AWS orchestrator to generate Terraform models, we have already open source AWS orchestrator agent. Okay, you can also check the MCP. So what we have open source and what is the contribution we are doing as part of this open source platform or open source community. So in case if you do require some help on building agents on platform side or existing tool base, then you can contact us, and see you on the next demo. So once this deployment is done, then the next item is managing the traffic, right? So how you will manage the traffic? So traffic is coming. Bye, see you.